Hello, and welcome to the barn. Today, we invite you to join us on a journey through one of the most heartwarming experiences on a dairy farm. Today is a very special day. We are about to witness the miracle of birth, a moment that brings joy and hope to everyone on the farm. We are going to learn about the birth of a calf. This process is not only fascinating but also crucial for the continuation of the dairy farm. This is an exciting time on a dairy farm. The arrival of a new calf signifies growth and the promise of future milk production. It is a lot of work, but it is also very rewarding. Cows are gentle giants, and their calm demeanor makes the experience even more special. They need our care, especially during calving. The health and well-being of the mother cow and her calf are our top priorities. With a little knowledge and a lot of heart, we can help bring new life into the world. The bond between a mother cow and her newborn calf is truly remarkable. Let's get started. Are you ready to meet our mother cow? She has been under our watchful care, and now she is almost ready to give birth. She's been patiently waiting for her calf to arrive. Her comfort and health have been our focus during this waiting period. Soon, she will be a proud mother. The first moments after birth are critical, and we ensure that both the mother and calf are well taken care of. And we are here to help. From the first signs of labor to the calf's first steps, we are dedicated to supporting this beautiful process. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Before the calf comes, we need to get the barn ready. This is an important step to ensure the health and safety of both the mother cow and her newborn calf. A well-prepared barn can make a significant difference in the birthing process. We want to make a comfortable and safe place for mama cow and her calf. This means creating a warm, dry, and cozy environment where they can bond and rest without any disturbances. First, we make sure the stall is clean. Cleaning the stall thoroughly helps to prevent infections and ensures that the newborn calf has a hygienic space to start its life. Fresh hay and straw make a soft bed. This bedding provides insulation and comfort, keeping the cow and her calf warm, especially during colder months. Next, we check that mama cow has plenty of fresh water. Hydration is crucial for the cow, especially as she prepares to give birth and produce milk for her calf. A quiet barn is important. Reducing noise and disturbances helps to create a peaceful environment, which is essential for the cow's well-being. It helps mama cow feel calm and safe. A stress-free environment can lead to a smoother birthing process and a healthier calf. We speak softly and move slowly around her. Gentle interactions help to build trust and keep the cow relaxed during this critical time. We are making sure she is comfortable and relaxed. Comfort is key to ensuring that the cow can focus on giving birth without any added stress. We are ready for the calf to be born. With all preparations in place, we can welcome the new arrival into a safe and nurturing environment, setting the stage for a healthy start to life. How do we know when the calf is coming? It's a question every farmer asks as the due date approaches. Mama cow will give us signs. These signs are nature's way of preparing us for the new arrival. These signs tell us labor is starting. It's important to be observant and recognize these early indicators. One sign is her udder. As the time nears, her udder will swell significantly. It will get very big and full of milk. Another sign is restlessness. She may seem uneasy and unable to settle. She might pace in her stall or lie down and get up again. This behavior indicates she's trying to find a comfortable position. She might lift her tail often. This is another clear sign that labor is imminent. This is a sure sign labor is close. The tail movement helps her prepare for the birthing process. We may even see contractions. These are the body's way of moving the calf into position. Her belly will tighten and relax. This rhythmic motion is a natural part of the birthing process. These are all natural parts of labor. It's a beautiful, albeit challenging process that requires patience and care. Mama Cow is strong, and we are here to support her. With our help, she will bring a new life into the world. Finally, the moment arrives. The calf begins to be born. We watch quietly, giving Mama Cow space. First, we will see two tiny hooves. They will be poking out from Mama Cow. Then, the calf's nose will appear. Mama Cow is working hard to push her calf out. Soon, the whole calf will slide out. It's a magical moment. We make sure the calf's airway is clear. Then we listen for its first breath. It's the sweetest sound.